Let's talk about how to help chief marketing officers increase market return on investment from three core areas with the cloud. First, you want to increase advertising spend effectiveness, get a unified view of customer behavior, and use in-house advertising technology. You can do this by implementing a customer data platform, developing a real-time advertising analytics platform, creating a centralized marketing data lake, and running an in-house demand-side and bidding platform. For example, Coca-Cola migrated their digital marketing system to AWS and reduced costs by 40%. To increase direct-to-consumer acquisition and lifetime values, personalize the customer journey and campaigns across channels at scale by dynamically creating campaigns, segments, and personalized messages. Machine learning can be applied across consumer devices and platforms to create a consistent, personalized customer experience while ensuring your business is protected against fraud. You can also create connected products with analytics and run an omnichannel contact center in the cloud. For example, Subway built a recommendation engine for restaurant guests on AWS without requiring them to have any internal ML expertise. Finally, time to market is crucial in today's landscape, and marketing agility is a key piece of that. Accelerate marketing agility by unifying analytics across the marketing stack, by streamlining platform integrations, data partnerships, and sourcing. There are several mechanisms that can help you get started with this process. You can integrate marketing technology partners by setting up Customer 360 and social analytics platforms that easily integrate with cloud-based ML and analytics systems. Or you could integrate omnichannel marketing automation tools with Cloud ML and 360-degree analytics.